So now we will discuss about import CSV file data into MySQL. For this, see the steps. Get the CSV data from CSV file and change the column names if it is required and call the store procedure or MongoDB query. Okay, so now we are discussing about MySQL means call the store procedure. So you have to write the store procedure. So we have already one store procedure like this. Okay, sending JSON array as a parameter to the store procedure. So this is the JSON table syntax. So it will convert JSON array into records. After converting that records, it will be inserted into EMP table. Okay, and this is the insert procedure and parameter. So here, before that, you check the employee table. 3 records are available. Okay, so in this test folder, we have 2 documents, EMP MySQL, EMP MongoDB. Okay, see here. So EMP MySQL means whatever the data available in MySQL database, that is same as EMP MySQL. So EMP MongoDB, see this. So same data, but salaries are different. Okay, so I want to import this EMP MongoDB file and insert that data into MySQL database. Okay, for MongoDB, I will use EMP MySQL file for importing. Okay, so write the API router.post and here import CSV and request response. So try catch okay. So path, I am going to take the same path, but file name is here MongoDB. Okay, check this EMP MongoDB. EMP MongoDB. Okay. Next, I'm going to declare one array. Here, fast CSV dot parse file method is there. Okay, for this method, I'm going to give the path and headers. It needs to be true. Okay, this parse file, it will take the data, it will take the path and headers, it needs to be true. And here there are 2 callback methods. One is on data, next one is on end. Okay, in on data, this one is callback method. Here in this callback method, data is available which comes from the CSV file. I am going to push that data into data array, which we have declared here. Data array dot push data. Okay, and after pushing the data into data array, in on end callback, okay, in this on end callback, I'm going to call one function which will have the insertion of the code into the database. Okay, I'm going to use async. Here emp MongoDB. Here key names are different. Okay. So in this data array, key names means emp number, emp name, salary. Okay. But coming to this MongoDB, key names are different. Okay. So for that purpose, I am going to change the key names. So data array equal to data array dot map of object. So we can use map for changing the key names, and return emp number equal to object dot emp number. So name is emp number. Okay. And ename equal to object dot emp name, and sal object dot salary. Okay. If names are same, then you don't require to write this map method. Okay. You can directly call this function. So let p underscore JSON equal to JSON dot stringify of data array. Okay. Next, first of all, I have to write this function here. So I am using function insert CSV. Okay. So here input JSON as a parameter, and you can write the logic for calling the insert procedure. Here we have to use promise method, otherwise we will not get the data. So in this promise method, resolve reject and let params equal to input JSON, and let call sp equal to set p underscore at the rate p underscore JSON, and call this insert procedure name insert underscore JSON underscore new. So call at the rate p underscore JSON, and write dbpool dot query, and here call sp and params and error callback result. So if any error comes, then we have to send that error response in reject new error response of 400 comma error dot response, error dot message. Else if there is no error, then again we have to check if result dot length greater than params dot length, and resolve of. So here what will be the response from the DB? Okay, so you can directly give that response in resolve. Okay, so result of params dot length. Okay, so that is nothing but this entire record, only one record, and that too here 0. So response, that single record will be stored in 0th position. Else you can give this one resolve of new error response of 201 not getting response. Okay, so this function is ready, so you can call this function here. So await function and pass this p underscore JSON. Okay, so here function res. So after calling this function, you just send this function res. Okay, so we will check it. The method name. So go to this MySQL. Call this. So initially check this data, EMP table data. Only 3 records are available. And 200 message success. See, one more 3 records are inserted, but salary is different. Why? Because EMP MongoDB salary is different. Employee number, employee names both are same, but salary is 1500, 2500, 3500. Okay, that are inserted. Same process, whatever we have discussed for importing Excel sheet. Okay, so same method I have used here. See, for importing Excel sheet also, I have called one function. Where it is, import Excel sheet. Export. MongoDB. Where is that function? See, for import from file, not Excel sheet, for import from file. So I have followed this same procedure. So DB calling, that all those things I have written in one function, and I have used that function in API method. Okay, simple. I have followed the same process for importing CSV also. So why we have used promise function means, so it will wait the control for getting the response. So promise function is used for handling asynchronous calls. We don't use the promise function if this line takes more time, then control goes to next line and print the output as undefined. Okay, so that's why we have used promise function here, so that control will wait for the until it gets the response from the DB.